Hi guys, and welcome to the channel again. I know it's been a while and it's great to be back doing the readings on the channel. I thought let me record some quick readings for each star sign just to get us back into the groove of things. I know I've been away for a while on this channel. It's because I was giving my attention to my other cooking channel, Love Extra Cooking. I'll put the link down below so you will get that. And I thought, what better way to start the new half of the year, because the solstice is coming up on the 20th, 21st of June. So it's winter solstice in the southern hemisphere and the summer solstice in the northern hemisphere. So we're going to get right to it and pull up some cards for you. And we'll start off with Aries and go down the line from there. So let's get started. Welcome, Aquarius, to your summer solstice reading. Summer solstice if you're in the northern hemisphere, winter solstice if you're in the southern hemisphere. So your solstice reading for June 2021 for the next 6 months. And Aquarius, you're the first sign that I remember to put on the microphone. So I hope it's more clearer for you. I got a little bit of new equipment, so I hope that this helps you hear better. And also, let's get to it. Let's get to your reading and pick up your cards. Oh, so you've got the Freedom card, which completely, I think, personifies Aquarius. Aquarius is, loves that energy of freedom. So the next 6 months going to feel quite free for you. Manifestation, beautiful. Some lovely cards that you've got right off the bat, and you've also got divine timing. So when I pick that card, I'm going to pick one more for you. And self-acceptance. Interesting, self-acceptance. So the first two cards completely personify you. I mean, freedom is all about Aquarius, I think. Energy, manifestation, and then it's divine timing for you to, I think, have some dreams come true, but also accept yourself, accept things that are dreams that are closest to you. Interesting. The first two cards are it's a lovely energy of freedom. I mean, freedom in all aspects, social, financial, just being free, just feeling free is a typical energy, I think, of Aquarius. But sometimes, Aquarius, you can get bogged down in the details. And I think, or at least in the details of creating that which you want, which ultimately I think is freedom. Whether it's creating your goal in terms of finance, career, business, ultimately it's about creating freedom for yourself, right? In terms of time, energy, resources, monetary. But I feel that you've been a little bogged down, as I said, in the details in the first 6 months, due to many things maybe that you've been putting your heart and mind into creating and manifesting. But now it's going to get easier. I feel the next 6 months, the momentum you're going to ride is one of freedom, and that energy of being joyful and creating with a sense of freedom is going to help you manifest better. It's going to help you make those dreams come true better and your goals come true. In fact, Aquarius is all about, again, I just feel this energy of freedom. So it's going to be helping you be more in tune with yourself and that'll help you manifest actually better. And then divine timing. It is divine timing for some dreams to come true. Aquarius is not naturally, I think, a serious sign, but certain factors in life have caused you to be a bit more serious than usual since, I think, the beginning of the year. Having this energy of freedom, having some help, universal energy-wise, to manifest your goals and dreams, helps there be divine timing to accept. I'm seeing with this card more acceptance of what's important to self. The word self is more literally jumping off this card than anything else, but also accepting. I'm feeling there's that saying, accept what you can control. No. Or do what you can control, accept what you can't, and the wisdom to know the difference, something like that. But yeah, so the courage to know the difference. Acceptance in your case is also about doing what you can and having some equanimity in terms of what you can't. And that will help you manifest better what you wish to create. It'll help you bring you freedom of not being attached to it. And it will help have the divine timing of it all coming true. Manifesting. Beautiful. That's actually beautiful energy for you, Aquarius. It's actually lovely. You're one of the last signs that I'm reading for, and it's a lovely way to end because often in life when we feel attached to something, it's hard to manifest. But when we let go and when we create from a sense of joy and freedom, it's so much easier for it to come into existence because the universe always wants to give us that which is best for us. And sometimes we think we need something when actually it's what we want, not what we need. And when it's taken away, it's like seen as rejection, but rejection is sometimes called protection, as you know, and receiving what you actually need later is such a blessing, and you can only see that later, when it comes. So, as they say, hindsight is 50-50. And with that, Aquarius, I hope you enjoyed your solstice reading. Do enjoy the energy of the magical solstice, the magical energy. Remember to comment with what you wish to create for your dream for the next magical solstice 6 month energy. And stay tuned for your next reading. Take care, Aquarius. Bye. Hi guys, so happy solstice again, and I just wanted to share with you. I was sitting outside, and today is the solstice, and 20th June, and it looks so magical with the orange shade. It almost looks like the lights touching the earth, and I'm near the sea, so it looks like, in Brother Bear, when the lights touch the mountain and it's the solstice time and it's this magical energy. Well, it really feels magical, and I just wanted to capture this moment and share it with you with your solstice reading. So let's see if I can change the camera over. Okay, there we go. You can see the orange sunset just beginning to happen, and I love how it just touches the edge of the horizon of the ocean, and there you can see it, the waves with the orange lights. It's just really beautiful, and it looks really magical at this time of the solstice. So here we go, just sharing that with you. And I hope you have a great solstice, a great year, and a great rest of the 6 months until the next solstice. So remember, the day and night is equal in the southern hemisphere and the northern hemisphere today. Beautiful energy, and just enjoy the energy, guys. Take care.